Okay, on our way back to camp.
Let's just see.
Okay, we've been back at camp for quite a while actually. Although it was raining when we got here, so all I did was go straight into my tent. I've been there for quite a while now. And just now got out of the tent and looking around, and we're hoping to have a campfire tonight, but I don't know if that's going to happen now because there's our fire pit. The rain must have really come down before we got here. Must have been a pretty good downpour. You got puddles around here. You can tell it had come down really good for a while. I already grabbed my little fire poke thing and see if I can. No way to drain that thing. Gosh. Huh. Man, oh yeah, now I don't know if that's gonna have that for supper anymore. Oh well. But we're gonna have to just play it by ear and see what we do for supper now. Well, it's about 10 to 8 right now. That's what the fire pit looks like now. The water's gone down a long ways. So I'm pretty confident that we will have a campfire tonight after all. We'll wait a little bit longer and it should be down low enough. Of course, right now it seems like it's just started sprinkling, I think. Yeah. Well, hopefully it's not going to downpour again. Sitting inside the tent again, sprinkling. I think at least it's pretty light. Hopefully it'll end pretty soon so I can get a campfire going. But we'll see. Well, got the water drained out finally. Trying to get the fire going. What time is it? A little after 8, I think, isn't it?
I think so.
Okay, it's about 10 to 9 actually. So it's starting kind of later tonight, but that's okay. It's the last night in Yellowstone, so I wanted a campfire the last night. Well, that's the status of the fire, the campfire. The wood really did not catch at all. Have to keep putting those fire starter logs in there. I think wood got a little bit too much moisture in the rain today. But oh well. And that's going to wrap up this video. The last night in Yellowstone National Park. Tomorrow morning we head to Grand Teton National Park for a couple nights. So, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.